Hello all, welcome to our channel. So major one is called any website, how we can activate SSL certification. If you go to Cpanel, there's option name is called security, which is Cpanel will be optimize this feature. Let encrypt SSL. This will be issue your particular SSL will be here that will be using for this option. Issue will be done by your particular things on your particular SSL. You can click for it and start your procedure, and it will be valid on your particular SSL option. It is purpose we have to do any task will be here, nothing then. Just to click the issue option, automatically will be activate your SSL feature. See how many SSL will be required here. Suppose, so this is installation is a little bit tough for us. Simple, go to cPanel. Then option name is called file manager. In here, we have the option name is called .htaccess file. This is the hidden file. Compulsory remember, when you show you hidden file, it will be show to the customers on your particular cPanel. Show hidden file, open .htaccess file, and this code is very important and activate SSL option. HTTPS of HTTP. This is the particular code. So this code will be helping for in a particular option. This file name you can save for .htaccess file. And this file will be using for two main reason purpose. One is called 404 error rectification. Second will be major important is called SSL activation. One is a manual method. Second will be the software method. So manual method will be here. That is the code. But you can upload any code will be here. Simple, where you can click for issue. Simple, all options are don't touch any option. Automatically click for and issue your SSL certification. This will be finished for within minute. The website will be showing for secure. So that is called the showing for love symbol. So this is the way we have to activate SSL certificate each and every page. So this code is available. Anyone required code will be here, and this will be optimize your website. And each domain user, different hosting wise, different codings will be here. Anybody coding required, that is compulsory important. This code will be valid in your cPanel. This feature is not available. This code will be not worth. Compulsory, this feature will be compulsory required on your particular cPanel option. If this feature is not available, we can't use this above code which we are using on your particular website to activate SSL certificate. So compulsory in a security option, we have compulsory use in our cPanel. Let's encrypt SSL option. So follow these guidelines to activate server secure layer. The option name is called SSL. That will show will be website will be secure. So anybody we can facing issue for secure website, your all SSL certificate is there, but you are unable to secure your website, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.